How to remove password from Shopify store. To show you this, we have to go to our online store. It's on the left hand side here under sales channels, online store. And I want to go to preferences from the drop down here. And as you can see, it says your online store is password protected. That's what we're going to fix. So I'm just going to scroll down all the way until I see password protection here on the left. And if this one is ticked, you should untick it because it says restrict access to visitors with the password. That's the actual section with which you can add your password to if you want to restrict the access to your page. So the way we remove this is we just untick this one, this box, and after that you want to make sure you click on save here on the top right because that will change this, save the changes. And as you can see, your online store is open to everyone now. So that's how you remove a password from the Shopify store. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.